Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Motorola Moto E14 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store. To fix it, go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store application and tap on your photo on the right corner. There, Settings, Family and Parental Control, which is on right now, and we have page 3. To visible game or application as Mobile Legends games, we need more than page 3. To change it, tap on it, enter our connect pin to Parental Control, and there we can change it by tap on page 16, confirm by got it and save. You can also turn off your Parental Control by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can do it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!